Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming across an issue with Microsoft Teams. This says, sorry, we couldn't connect you. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to just open up the search menu. Type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in ipconfig followed by a space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back with Windows IP configuration successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, once again exactly how you see it on my screen, and hit enter. Should come back with successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. At this point, go ahead and close out of here, and you want to restart your computer. And then, like I said, hopefully at this point your issue has been resolved. However, if you are still having a problem, one final thing we can try here as well would be just to reset our network settings back to default. So in order to do that, you will need to have your Wi-Fi credentials nearby because once you restart your computer, you will need them in order to get back on the internet. So with that in mind, now you want to open up the search menu and type in settings. Best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select Network and Internet on the left side here. And then on the right side, scroll down underneath Advanced Network Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. And then go underneath More Settings, Network Reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings. So this will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Select Reset Now. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select Yes. Now just save and close of any open programs or applications you may have and restart your computer at this time. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this pointer issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.